What is really the significance of an LLM degree to your career? Will it help you to get a job? Will it be of any additional advantage to you? Will it improve your CV from how it stands today? Let's talk about this now. The LLM degree is of course crucial if you want to opt for a career in teaching or if you want to work in certain research positions. In those cases, of course, an LLM is a must. What is the relevance of an LLM in other situations? There are certain streams which are technical and in which having an LLM might be a strong signal to a recruiter that you have a certain level of proficiency in that area. For example, we've seen this happening a lot with competition law. So if you want to work as a competition lawyer, an LLM is often appreciated. That is not to say, however, that you would not get a job as a competition lawyer if you did not have that LLM degree. If during your law school life you had done enough to demonstrate that you had been working on competition laws, and if you can demonstrate proficiency in an interview directly to the recruiter, then of course you stand on the same ground. However, this may not be true of other streams such as intellectual property or tax, because recruiters are open to hiring somebody who has the desired level of skills. If LLM was the only way to acquire that skill, then well and good. But if there are other ways as well, then an LLM of course is useful, but there are other ways to the same end goal. Now, moving on to the benefits of an LLM. What are the uses of an LLM? Apart from, of course, the advantages if you are pursuing a career in teaching or research. Because of a very strict curriculum or because of, how much work you are required to do, an LLM may have an impact on your research abilities. It may improve your analytical powers. It may also be a great experience for you because you, of course, get to travel to a different part of the world and interact with a very diverse population. So in terms of an experience, it may be a good thing to have in your life. And of course, because of the academic rigor in certain places of the LLM degree, it might instill a stronger work ethic, a better analytical frame of mind. Even if you want to do an LLM, it is advisable that you focus on developing your analytical powers from before. It is not a great idea to postpone the learning process. If you start focusing on it from your early years in law school or from whenever, of course, you have that kind of clarity, it will be very useful for you in your career, even when you do an LLM. And you will be able to extract the most out of your LLM degree.